Hello, P3 students. Welcome again in our Math 3 class. And again, this is Miss Claire. Let's continue chapter 5. It talks about 2D and 3D shapes. In this video, you will learn lesson 4, recognize 3D shapes. Lesson 5, identify lines of symmetry. And lesson 6, sketch reflections of 2D shapes. Are you familiar with these lessons, P3? Now stay with me and let's discuss about these lessons. Let's start with lesson D, recognizing 3D shapes. Ron looks around his house and sees some objects. Take a look here. So we have a candle, we have a cube, we have a chocolate bar, and a drum. So what 2D shapes and 3D shapes can you see in these pictures or in these objects? For example, the candle. What 3D shape do you see? Oh yes, this is a pyramid. How about the cube, the Rubik's Cube? Yes, of course, this is a cube. How about the chocolate bar? Yes, this is a triangular prism. And how about the drum? Yes, this is a cylinder. Okay, now Ron sketches two objects. Take a look here. Can you name the objects? Yes, the first one on the top is a cuboid, the purple color. That is a cuboid. And the one on the bottom, the big one, is a cylinder. So these two objects is a cuboid and a cylinder. Okay, children, I have here results structure. Rizal builds this structure with some 3D shapes. Take a look. This consists of different toys. What are the 3D shapes Rizal uses? Correct. He uses cubes, cuboids, cylinders, and triangular prisms. Okay, how about this one? Kyle's shape. Kylie builds this shape with some cubes. How many cubes does she use to build the shape? Can you count how many cubes here? So Kylie uses 6 cubes, P3. So we have the purple, we have the red, we have the yellow. Under the yellow, there is another cube hidden, okay? Then we have the blue and the green cube. So in total, there are 6 cubes. Let's continue. So we have Lesson E. So it talks about identifying lines of symmetry. Are you familiar lines of symmetry, P3? How to find the line of symmetry? So Izzy has some 2D shape cutouts. Take a look here. She folds these shapes in half. Where is the fold line in each paper? Okay, eyes here. For the heart shape, if we fold it into half, it's around here. For this shape, the purple one, it should be here. And the yellow shape, it's around here. Take a look. And for the letter E is here. So if we fold this shape like this, P3, we can find the line of symmetry. Because when we talk line of symmetry, is the line that shows the identical shape from left to right, top to bottom. Okay, let's have here. Izzy folds a sheet of rectangular paper in half. In how many ways can she fold it evenly? Okay, how do you know? So let's try to do this in our class, children. So let's show how we will fold that rectangular paper in half. Okay, now I have here Owen's carpet. Okay, take a look here. This carpet is in a rectangular shape. When he folds this one, children, there are 2 lines of symmetry. A rectangular and a vertical line of symmetry. So therefore, a rectangular shape, children, has 2 lines of symmetry, and that is the vertical line, the top to bottom line, and the horizontal line from left to right. So we can only fold actually a rectangle into 2. Vertical line and horizontal line of symmetry. Can we do the diagonal line of symmetry for rectangle? Okay, you can give me the answer during our class for that. Okay, I have here Sue's blanket. Two designs are on blanket with shapes. Take a look. How many lines of symmetry does the blanket have? The blanket has 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. Why do you think it has only 2 lines of symmetry? Can you sketch the lines of symmetry for this blanket? Okay, show your answers during our class P3. Now let's continue for lesson F, sketching reflections of 2D shape. Okay. Rob has a triangular piece of paper with a red dot on it. He puts a mirror vertically on the paper as shown. What will Rob see in the mirror? Can you sketch what he sees and show that to the class during our class? So if you are going to put this paper like this and you are going to sketch on the other side, how does it look like, P3? Okay, let's continue. If Rob puts the mirror horizontally on the paper, what will he see in the mirror? Okay, let's try to do that during our class, okay? Now let's have Jean's sketch. Jean is sketching the reflection of a triangle on a horizontal mirror line. So look at the horizontal mirror line means the line from left to right. So what will happen if we will sketch on the bottom part? Okay, it will look like this. Let's see. So the first step, children, on sketching a 2D shape is that you estimate the distances from the vertices to the mirror line with your thumb and finger. Okay, like this. Next is you mark the same distance on the other side of the mirror line with your thumb finger. So, take a look here. Jane is doing the sketching, right? So, she estimates this line and this line. So, the same distance, okay? Next, you have to mark the same distance on the other side, of course. And you have to mark the vertex or the vertices, okay? Next part is you are going to join the vertices. So, first, he draw this line, the same distance, and she puts the vertex here, this vertex. So if the vertex is on the line of the symmetry, just put the vertex right away. Then after that, you just simply connect the line. So it looks like what shape, children? Yes, it looks like a kite, right? Okay, it looks like a kite. So place a mirror along the other edges of the triangle. How will the reflection look? Yes, it is the same as triangle, but the inverted triangle. It's not the same position with the original shape because that's how reflection works. Okay, so during our class P3, we will do some reflection of 2D shapes. Okay, P3 students, that's all about lesson 4, recognizing 3D shapes. Lesson 5, identifying lines of symmetry. And lesson 6 is sketching reflections of 2D shapes. I will discuss more about these lessons during our class. Thank you for watching P3, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone, and enjoy your day.